This morning, we're going to be doing a little bit of pressure washing here. We got both of our skid loaders. Could use a little bit of TLC here. Right now, I'm standing with the feeding skid loader, and you can see it's got a little bit of a oil leak that happened last week. So we're going to get this thing nice and cleaned up here. I got the gas can for the pressure washer and the soap gun for a little bit of extra fun loaded up. The pressure washer's up at the utility room, so let's get this thing started. Got the pressure washer hooked up here. Let's see what this thing can do. I went ahead and switched the heads out on the pressure washer now that we got a preliminary wash done. Now time to soap this bad boy down. See what this thing can do. Let the soap sit for a couple minutes. Now we're just going to go over this one last time for the final rinse down, and then it'll be on to the next one. I'm going to let the feeding skid loader sit out here and dry, and then we're going to go get the bedding skid loader and do the same thing. Let the soap sit on this skid loader for a few minutes. We'll go ahead and wash it up and put it back away with the other one. There she is. Got both the skid loaders setting out to dry now. Now I just want to go back, and the last thing I do is get these hard to reach spots in the front that we couldn't get before with buckets blocking them. My rookie camera skills were a little off. Having the power button pressed down at the wrong time, so I didn't get any footage of me cleaning off the fronts, but they're not perfect, but these two skid loaders sure look a lot better than they did an hour ago. So I like to see them nice and clean. Oh, oh. Yeah.
Back at the back of the parking line with the pipe.
Yeah, bring it back some. All right, now try it again.
Hold on, get my glove on. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Back. All right, one more time. I think I got it. There you go. Dad and I are working down at the calf hutches. We're working on replacing these right here and get these strings on it so we can hold down the tarp and keep these calves warm. In the winter time like this, it's one of the most important things. So Dad and I went through here and we realigned all of this string, bouncing back and forth, and that should hold in the tarp there for the most part, keep the calves warm. The only trouble is that the bottom of this tarp just got eaten away at, and can't slide the rest of the pole through to weigh it down, so that might be as good as we're going to get it right now. I'll go ahead and wrap up this job. Thanks for checking this one out.